Hello friends, let's start with the tutorial. The first position for the left hand is finger 1 on string number 2, fret number 1, and finger 2 goes to string number 3, fret number 2. We're going to also use the open first string and the open fifth string. The finger picking pattern is going to be the same throughout the piece, and it is always going to start with the thumb playing the bass note. In this case, it is the fifth string. And then the other three fingers are going to play simultaneously. Index is always going to play string number 3, middle finger is always going to play string number 2, and the ring finger is always going to play string number 1. And we are going to pluck the strings at the same time, twice. And that is the finger picking pattern. So the entire measure number 1 goes like this. Measure number 2 is an exact replica, so we do the same. Thumb plays the fifth, and the three fingers simultaneously twice. Let's hear measures 1 and 2 without a break. So it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we move into measure number 3. For that, we are going to remove finger 2 and bring finger 1 from string number 2 to string number 3 on fret 1 as well. And the finger picking pattern is going to play string number 6 and then the first three strings at the same time, twice and again. Yes, so measure number 3 and 4 go like this: 1, 2, 3. To get into the next position, we're going to keep finger 1 right where we have it, string 3, fret 1, and we're going to add finger 4 on string number 2, fret number 3. Try to make sure that string 1 is completely free beneath finger 4 so it can vibrate freely. And the finger picking pattern for the right hand is exactly the same. String number 6, the first 3 strings at the same time, and again. And to go into the next position, we bring finger 2 to string number 3, fret number 2. We remove finger 4, and finger 1 goes from string number 3 to string number 2. The finger picking pattern is going to play string number 5 and the first 3 strings again. This is the exact same position that we use at the very beginning of the piece. Now to go to the next position, we are going to bring finger number 2 from where we have it, string number 3, fret number 2, to string number 2, also in fret number 2. We play string number 5 and the first 3 strings twice and again. Now to get to the next position, finger number 2 is going to go back to string number 3, fret number 2. And we're going to add finger 3 on string 2, fret 3, and finger 1 goes to string number 1, fret number 1. The right hand is going to start the pattern on the 4th string, and again. To get into the next position, we're going to keep finger 2 right where we have it. We're going to take finger 3 off, and finger 1 is going to go from string 1 to string 2, also on fret number 1. The finger picking pattern is going to play string number 6 and then the first 3 strings simultaneously. Then we need to change the left hand position, bringing finger 1 to string number 3 and removing finger 2. The right hand plays string number 6 and the first 3 strings. And another left hand position. Finger 1 goes to string number 2 and finger 2 goes to string number 3, fret number 2. The right hand starts the pattern on the 5th string. And to end the piece, we play the open fifth once and we let it ring for 3 beats.